Hi and welcome to the Boss Fireworks with me, Boss Fireworks. So we're gonna go into the New Year's Eve 2021 stash. This is part one. These are from Bonfire Night, what did not fire. This is gonna be one queue. So these are all gonna get set off at once. So let's get right into it. So first of all, we have Night Party. Night Party is got 40 shots, 278 grams of net explosive content, but this is an SIB, so this has straight of mixed red on and blue-green comets, twisted whistles, with selection of burns including bursts, including reds, blues, greens, stars with glitter strobing and crackling, chrysanthemum, a brilliant brocade. So that's Night Party by Shandar. These are all from Big Shot of Fireworks. Next we have Pegasus, which is a mixture of straight up and angled. This has a net explosive content of 295.3 grams of NEC. These effects reads brocade tails leading to mixture of colourful stars, white glitter, red comet pearls by following of silver comet pearls leading to fabulous finale of brocade leading to crackling. Next we have the Beast of the East. This was the last one, Independence Day. This has a net explosive content of 990 grams of NEC, so it's quite close to the legal limit in the UK. This has a variety of ball sizes to angles. It's just an absolute beast. The effects has red, blue, and star with silver and following by white glitter, mind raising to burst of brocade green stars with purple crossettes, blue stars with silver fish, screening whistles with brocade and chrysanthemum leading up to fabulous finale of titanium gold palms and white and with green glitter and fanned spectacular sparkles, willow and blue stars. So this is going to be on one side, these are going to be in the middle, and then this one is Retribution. Retribution is it does come in a box. You're supposed to fire within the box. I've taken the outer carton off because I was planning on firing it at Bonfire Night. This has 906 grams of NEC. There doesn't seem to be any effects on this one, but this what we're going to fire it like is we're going to have that at this side, this little angled one here, and this Night Party setting off at the same time, as well as these two big cakes. This will offer absolutely mayhem, look like London in our back garden. I've been the Boss Fireworks. Stay in now, no COVID is still on the way. It's winter now, so please listen to the government's advice. We are actually in the highest tier. We are in tier 3, so that consists of any hospitality places cannot open, and we are not allowed to meet in public. Remember, face, space, hands. Wash your hands, give others space, wear a face covering. I've been the Boss Fireworks, my beautiful partner on the camera. We're gonna get, no, we will get her, I promise you, I promise you. Please stay safe from me and my partner. I'm gonna try and drop one every Saturday, so tune in, subscribe for more, hit that like button. Thank you.